Hi there, welcome to this video. In this video, I will guide you through the application process for master's program at FAU. First, go to the Campo portal and log in using your IDM ID and password. In case if you fail to log in to Campo portal, make sure you have sent a request from your IDM account to the Campo portal. To do this, you have to log into your IDM account and then click on the general settings and click on the request button. That's it. After a few time, you will be able to log into your Campo portal using your IDM ID and password. After login, make sure you have changed the language to English and now click on Open Application Portal. Now click on Add Request. Now select desired degree program. I am choosing Masters and later choose the subject you are applying for. So I am choosing Information and Communication Technology degree program. If you have any confusion regarding these fields, you can go through the you can click on the I button and you will see the description here. So they have two options, one is full-time and another one is part-time. So I am choosing the full-time master's degree program. Then subject semester, here I am choosing one semester. Here they have described what each option means. Here you will see that this subject require a qualification assessment process. So this option will be automatically selected. Now I am clicking continue. Now acquired in this portion they are asking information about university entrance qualification. So acquired in abroad, if you are from abroad, now select your country and type of university entrance qualification. Here you can see that master's degree program, please choose general university entrance qualification earned outside Germany, and so I am choosing the first option here. And university entrance qualification grade, here they are saying that please enter the grade of entrance qualification. Applicants with foreign qualification should enter 4.5 here, at which date on which university entrance qualification was acquired, and put your graduation date here. Now click continue. So here I am click continue button again. Have you completed vocational training? So for my case this answer should be no. Have you completed national service in Germany? No. I am click continue Germany. So I am selecting this option. Yes, I read and understand the information and clicking on continue. Here in this section they are asking for a school leaving certificate. So I am uploading my HSC certificate here. In case if your certificate is not in English or German language or France, then you have to upload a translation of your school leaving certificate. Now hit continue. In this section you will be asked to provide following information: degree obtained at FAU. If you have obtained or will obtain your degree at FAU, please select yes, else select no. Then country of your university. Here I am selecting my country of university, name of the university, location of the university, and type of higher educational institution. As you can see, all of these three options are mentioning that inside Germany, so I have to choose academic institution abroad. Now select degree type. I am selecting bachelor degree, then degree program, and degree status of your degree program. If later, please specify your study period. Here I am selecting when my bachelor program is started and when I have received I have completed my bachelor degree. Final grade of your degree program. If you obtained your degree abroad, please indicate the grading system used at your university. So then maximum possible grade in degree program and minimum passing grade of degree program. Minimum will be given in your transcript. So then ECTS credit completed so far, as I am from Bangladesh, and you can also go through these two links where they have discussed how you have to calculate your ECTS for Bangladeshi students. So I will provide these two links in the video description so that you can convert your own. Now select the file transcript of your record. Please make sure they have some file size restrictions, so you follow them, and final academic record if possible, if applicable. So I have selected 2 of these files, and if you need any translation of this document, please upload here and hit continue. If you have more than 1 degree, you can add it below using the add previous studies link here. So I'm clicking continue without selecting this option. Have you studied in a comparable degree program at a state or state recognized university in Germany and lost the right of examination here? Lost right of examination, yes or no, select, then hit continue. In this section they are asking for German language skills. So language level achieved, as I have not yet received my German language skills, so I'm selecting the option no language skill, and you have to select these options. Language certificate, as I have English language certificate, so I'm choosing other language certificate and clicking continue. Language level achieved, here I'm selecting B2 language certificate IELTS, and other language certificate if not listed above, test result or final grade. So I'm putting my grade here, and please upload the language certificate. So I'm selecting the certificate for my IELTS test and click continue. Please specify any relevant professional experience either in Germany or abroad, vocational training and or internship, etc. If you have completed a semester abroad, you can also provide details and proof here. Otherwise click continue. Here in this section you have to provide some additional information about your bachelor degree program. So they are asking please specify which modules you have studied correspond to the following program modules. Among this program module, which program module have you studied? I have listed them, and total ECTS credit in mathematical engineering. You have to convert your credit hours to ECTS, and later please specify which module you have studied correspond to your following program module. Here they are asking for computer science module and total ECTS credits in computer science, communication engineering modules and total ECTS credit here, electrical engineering and electronics module and total ECTS credit. Letter of motivation, you have to upload your motivation letter here, and a curriculum vitae here. In this portion they are asking for further questions like have you set for any university entry examination, and for my case I am choosing these 2 options, no and here no, and continue. If you have applied previously for this degree program, you have to select yes, and the semester and the year, and you have to upload the letter of admission if you have got any offer letter for this program, and hit continue. Other information, use this space to tell us about anything relevant to your application that has not been covered yet. In that case you can also upload some other documents, but make sure you do not upload documents several times. And selection of the first contract with the degree program at FAU, you can select any of the options. I'm choosing FAU and hit continue. Previous studies at FAU in the past, have you been enrolled at FAU in the past? I'm not, so I'm select this option. If you are already enrolled, then you have to put your matriculation number here and hit continue. Would you like to receive information for freshmen at FAU by email? I'm selecting this option no. If you would like to receive, you can specify your language. So after all this, you as you can see that I have an error here, no postal address. So what I have to do here, I have to click on this portion, postal address. So I'm selecting my postal address from here. Add your email and phone number as well if they are not included here. If you want to update your application once again, or if you need to do correction in any field or any stages, then you can click on the edit application button. Otherwise, you can submit your application by clicking the submit application button. Your application status will be visible here. If you would like to apply for another master courses, you can just click on this add request button. Thanks for watching. I hope you find this helpful. If so, don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more content like this. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below. Keep exploring and learning. Until next time, take care.